Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, so my people, I got information that Buju Banton's daughter had been reported missing, and I also got information that Buju Banton's daughter is not missing. I also saw pictures circulating on social media about this whole situation. And I also got the understanding that there are rumors and allegations circulating on social media saying that Buju Banton's daughter accused Buju Banton of being abusive. Now, what I'm going to do, viewers and subscribers, I am going to give you my understanding about some things that I read in news articles about this whole situation, and I'm also going to present pictures to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can get a better understanding about this whole situation. And I would like to encourage each and every one who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, according to the first news article that I read, I got the understanding that the news article said that Abihail Mary had been reported missing, and I mean that she had been reported missing to the police within the country of Jamaica, or someone filed a missing report to the police within the country of Jamaica, or report her missing, however you want to put it, you see? According to the news article that I read, it is said that Abihail Mary was last seen at her home on the 9th of October the year 2021. The news article also gave an address that is said to be where she's from or where she lives, and the news article said that she's 5 feet 8 inches tall and other things as well, viewers and subscribers. You see me? So when I saw that news article, I said to myself, Jano, me don't go up so she alright, you know? Yeah, because me Dancehall skilla, I wish nothing but the best for each and every one. Anyway, so I got information now that Buju Banton's daughter might not be missing. So I did some research and I found another news article now, and according to this news article, I got the understanding that a lawyer who represents Buju Banton's daughter said that she's not missing. See, that's the overall understanding that I got from the news article. Alright, so listen to this, my people. I'm just going to read some things from a news article that I saw. An attorney representing Abihail Mary, the daughter of reggae singer Buju Banton, has reportedly told the police that the 21-year-old is not missing. According to some more things that I read in the news article, I got the understanding that the Constant Spring police informed Observer Online that they are unable to remove her from the missing persons list unless they see her in person. Now, my people, I can't blame the police for want to see the person in person before them can say, okay, we can remove the person from the missing persons list. You see? No, I can't blame them on that part. You see? Yeah, confirmation is best when it comes on to certain situations. Now listen to this now, my people, because here's where things start to get interesting for me, Dancehall skilla. You understand? I saw pictures on social media, and allegedly, and according to how these pictures have been posted on social media, they are claimed to be screenshots and pictures from Abihail's social media platforms that she uses, like Twitter and Instagram. See? Now, this picture right here allegedly is said to be a screenshot from Abihail's Twitter account. Allegedly, it is said that this is a tweet that Abihail made, and the tweet had been deleted. And I say so, I only am going to know what gwan. Now let me read this alleged tweet that is allegedly said to be from Abihail's Twitter account or profile, or how as persons might call it. I am not missing. They are lying. My sister Jodian and my dad are doing this because I proved that he abused me and has been abusive not only to me but everyone around him and them. They are doing this to trick you, all because they are trying to kill me. So me answer my people. Now, and me say these things, you know. Saying, me just present these things when me see on social media to you, my viewers and subscribers, and me confirm these things. You understand? And I also saw a picture circulating on social media that shows a bruise on someone's neck. Now, I cannot say her neck because I can't confirm if that's really her neck according to how me see the picture. You see what I said to you? Just I'm gonna know about these things. I'm not confirming these things. You understand? Yes, so see the picture right here that I'm talking about. If you look at the screen properly, you see the picture what I'm talking about. Understand me? So all of them things I just have me thinking, my people. You see me? I wonder what really and truly are going. You see me? I wonder if some form of family dispute are going within her home or Buju Banton's home. You see me? However be the situation. You see me? Anyways. Now, I also saw a picture that is said to be a screenshot of a post that Abihail made on social media on one of those platforms. You see it? Yes, so I'm going to read those words that I saw in that picture to you, my viewers and subscribers. Abihail Mary, my own father at Buju Banton, who I thought was good, who I even defended, tried to kill me. He strangled me and put me out of his home, out of our home, and I have scars to show. I thought he was good. He is no good. If you can do this to your own blood, if you are this ruthless to your own, what will you do to other people? At Buju Banton, question sign. I don't want to find out. So maybe this whole situation is just a dispute among family members within a home. Maybe I cannot confirm if any of these things are true or if they are not true because I was not there. You see it? So I am assuming that maybe this whole situation is just a family dispute, or maybe a hostile confrontation happened between family members within a home. I also got the understanding that there are allegations that have been made on social media about this whole situation. I'm not even going to get into those allegations because in my point of view, some of those allegations don't even make any sense to me, Dancehall Skilla. You see? But I just am going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. You can let me know what you think about this whole situation. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.